If you need to fix Disney app won't open or load on Bush TiVo Smart TV, running through these 4 quick solutions will get your movies playing again immediately. First, grab your TV remote, open Settings, go to Apps, select Disney and choose Clear Cache. Clearing this temporary storage wipes out corrupted files, preventing the app from launching. If that quick refresh doesn't solve it, corrupted system memory is likely clogging the operating system, bringing us to method 2. Turn off your Bush TV, unplug the main power cable from the wall for 60 seconds, and press the physical power button to flush out remnant voltage before plugging it back in. Should the app still refuse to load, the installation file itself might be damaged, leading right to method 3. You install Disney's completely from your app library, open the TiVo store and download a fresh copy to rebuild all core files. Finally, if the application still freezes on launch, network handshake errors are blocking server access, which brings us to method 4. Reset your Wi-Fi connection in network settings and restart your internet router to assign a fresh IP address for smooth streaming.